This is my moving sarcomere model. On the ends here we have the Z discs, and hooked to them we have our actin bands, and the yellow coil around it is the tropomyosin, and the white on it is the troponin. This purple dot on here signifies the calcium that binds to it. And then we have our elastic filaments here that connect to the Z disc, and it also goes through the middle of our myosin here. And as I said, this is the myosin and the myosin heads. The black dots on it resembles the ATP that binds to it, that gives it the energy. Down the middle here we have the M line that anchors in that myosin. And then we have the H zone, which is the gap between the actin bands, which is just myosin, and that, when the muscle contracts, will actually disappear. And then we have the I bands on each end here, and then we have the A band down the middle. So then when a muscle gets a signal, the calcium will be released and bind to the troponin here, and that troponin will pull the tropomyosin away from the actin, leaving the binding sites on the actin open for the myosin heads to bind to that. And then the myosin head will attach to ATP, and it will turn it into ADP and phosphate, giving it the energy to attach to the actin bands here. And when it does that, it will attach to it and pull it forward, causing the muscle fiber to shrink up like this on both sides. And that is how the muscle contracts.